Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare French toast. So we'll be using fresh pepper, eggs, green beans, onion, green pepper, carrots, bread, vegetable oil and a bottle. So the first thing is to slice all the vegetables. I'm starting out with green beans, as you can see. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome, and please do subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much, and you are also welcome. After slicing the vegetables, mix them together. And add fresh eggs to it. I used 3 eggs. You can use less or more depending on the quantity of the vegetables. You also have to break 2 eggs in a separate plate and set it aside. We'll be using it later. I added nut to the vegetables for taste. You can add any other spice you feel like adding. After that, mix everything together. Make sure it is properly mixed. The next stage is to flatten the bread. You can either use a rolling pin or a bottle, but in this case I'm using a bottle. Look at the way I'm rolling it. Make sure you roll it front and back until it is very smooth. Now it is time to fry the vegetables. Make sure you don't use too much of vegetable oil. I'm done frying the vegetables and this is how it looks like. What you need to do now is to scoop the fried vegetables into the bread and roll it. You can see the way I'm rolling it. And dip it into the fresh eggs. Repeat the same process with the rest. Now it is time for us to fry our bread rolls. Make sure you don't put too much oil so that the bread does not scatter inside the pan. So guys, our bread roll is almost ready. Okay viewers, this is the final look and I'm trying to garnish it as you can see. So viewers, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please do. It is free of charge. And remember to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thanks very much for watching. See you on my next video.